folks, have you ever had an O2 sensor that you couldn't get out? Generally, it's probably an upstream. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this is the Clay way. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notifications, sharing my videos, and sending me them big old thumbs up. If you've got a question for me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger. And remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. That I promise you. I was not going to be beat by this thing today. As you can tell, I'm showing you some pretty wicked stuff right here. I got my air chisel out. I'm trying to remove this oxygen sensor. I've done this with EGR valves and all sorts of things that are stuck. But today, this one wouldn't come out. And it seems as we go along, I get a lot stupider. So I've got the air chisel out, and this is some ninja stuff right here. Generally, these things come right out. But as we go along, you'll find that I get really dumb. And I seem to be doing it slower and slower and slower, and I am just working. I've got vice grips out. I've got a socket out with my hammer, and that crap doesn't work. You'll see that that doesn't work at all. This just seems stupid. I was editing out this film. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. There we go. I've got the torches out again. That's the smartest thing I could. Oh, crap. I got some vice grips. Oh, man. I need to throw them vice grips in the trash. I don't know. Well, we're going to keep on seeing what happens, but this ain't going to work either. Hold on. I've got a different set of vice grips. Maybe this will work. No, it don't appear to be so. What is this jackhole doing right now? Oh, he's got a hammer. He's hitting on his wrench, trying to get that thing to go over the top of it. But because he's already used that air chisel on there, it just won't fit. What a moron. Oh, wait a second. He's got his vice grips back out. Maybe this will work this time. What the heck? The 10th time is the charm, eh? Oh, there we go. Now I'm getting smarter. I'm putting the heat on there. Wait a second. Penetrant? That's going to catch on fire and burn the whole car down. What a moron. Oh no, he's got them stupid vice grips out again. This guy is a real retard. What's he doing now? Whoa, now that's intelligence right there. Hold on. I think he's just about got that sucker off. Oh my goodness, he did. Make sure it ain't going to catch nothing on fire. Or melt anything. Woo! Should have worked before when I did that. Okay, so that video was over 20 minutes long, and I didn't even film everything that I did. I shortened that down for you guys so you could see it, did a little voiceover, made a little bit of fun of myself, just for the fun's sake. Keep in mind, these boxes come with NACs, use them, and when you go to tighten them oxygen sensors down, you do not have to reef them things down. They have little baffle shields in most of them that it will not leak or make a sound. You can generally pull the O2 sensor out and you may not even feel or hear exhaust coming out of there. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing my videos, giving me them sweet old thumbs up. Remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless. Have the best of days. This is Clay with the Clay Way. Thank you so much.